this is how we clean the deep well or balloon. We call this balloon. See? Kahubo naman tayo guys. Cleaning the surface because a lot of soil, because it was flooding heavily. Then the soil get inside. Ay sama ni oy, sira naman siguro ni. Tikbalang diri. See? We are like tikbalang here. See? It's now clean. So, later on, once it's filled with water, we can use that to take a bath. So, thank you so much for watching. Because I will going to take a bath later guys. Let's take a bath. Well, thank you. Seriously, thank you for watching.